So just click here where it says visit, wait for a couple of seconds, and you will get paid. Now, just repeat and enjoy your profits, and stay tuned to learn more. Making money online has never been easier, and to prove that, I will share with you one of the easiest ways to make a decent amount of money online. If you can click, you can earn. This requires no selling, no products, no camera, no skills or experience, and just click and earn. It's worldwide available and it requires no investment. It's absolutely free. If you go straight to the website and you try to do it on your own, then you'll maybe make only a couple of cents per click. But if you stick with me, I'll show you one simple trick that will make you literally over 73 cents per website you click on. So make sure you stick around until the end so you won't miss any steps and you will earn more money. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. Step number 1. Step number 1 is going to be to come over to YouLikeHits.com. YouLikeHits is a website that will allow you to click on websites and earn points, but this is not the only website we will be using. If you actually want to cash out your money for real cash, whether that's PayPal money or whatever payment option you prefer, then you need to stick around until the end of this video so I can show you which platforms you need to use to combine with YouLikeHits to actually make money. Don't worry, we will not be selling those points or whatever. There's no selling involved at all. It's going to be really simple and really easy. It's something we never talked about earlier on this channel, but anyways, our first step is to come to the main website. It will allow us to click on websites, and that is going to be YouLikeHits, and sign up for absolutely free. Just come to the website, click on the sign up button. It's going to be right here. Enter your username right here. So let me create a username down and through, because you probably don't have a username on this website yet. You can enter something unique over here, then enter your email address, create a password for your account, and enter the number from the picture right here. Click on sign up. It's really easy. It's simple and absolutely free. Our second step once you create an account, once you sign up for absolutely free, you need to log in to your YouLikeHits account. So once you create an account, just log into your account. Once you log in, it should look something like this, and you can see your points right here. So this is your username. Anyways, all you need to do is hover your mouse here on the Earn Points section so you can see Earn Points right here. And then you want to click here where it says Website Hits, because that's exactly where we can go to click on websites and get paid for doing that. You need to stick around with me so I can show you how you can actually exchange those points for real money. As you can see here, there is no withdrawal button to be seen on here, so you need to do something to actually change those points for real money. And once again, don't worry, you will not have to sell anything, and that's why it's going to be so easy. So this is the website which we can visit and earn points by doing that. So I need to click on visit right here, which is going to open up another website for us. And you can see that I need to wait for like 15 seconds. Now I will just speed up, and once the countdown hits 0, I will be able to close this page and the points will be added to my account. All you need to do is just repeat the process to collect as many points as you can, because obviously, the more points you have, the more money you're going to be able to withdraw. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. So step number 2 is to log into your account, and step number 3 is to start visiting those websites. And that's exactly how you earn points. But now let's get to the most important part, and that's actually withdrawing your money. How do you actually cash out those points for real money, whether it's PayPal or whatever payment option you prefer? Step number 4. Now that you know that you can actually click on websites and earn points, let me show you how you can exchange those points for real money. So how do you actually withdraw that money from YouLikeHits? Once again, as I said, once you start earning points right here by visiting websites, you will be able to see your points, but there is no withdraw button. And that is why you need to use the external platforms, which I'm about to show you. But trust me, it'll be really easy and simple. Just follow the steps and stick around until the end to maximize your results. Anyways, your fourth step is to come over to CPALead.com. So you want to come over to the platform called CPA Lead, and you want to sign up for absolutely free. Create an absolutely free account, and once you do, you want to log into your account, and it's going to look something like this. This is the dashboard, and this is exactly how it looks like. Now you just need to click on offers here on the left-hand side, so just follow the steps. It's really simple and easy. I'm going to cut to the learning curve and do literally nothing just to follow the steps, and you'll be able to do it. Click on offers here on the left-hand side. That's going to open up many different offers on the CPA marketplace. And what a CPA stands for is cost per action, which means that we just need to refer someone to a URL, to a link where they need to maybe sign up to something for absolutely free. They don't need to spend any money at all. They just need to become qualified leads by probably entering their email address and their name, but they don't need to buy anything, which is a lot easier than selling. Anyway, CPA stands for cost per action, and we just need to grab our referral link and you can see all these different offers that are paying different prices. By just referring someone to this offer, you're going to make 1 cent. So you have many different prices, but one that I found was this one over here. Of course, you can choose anything you like. You might be able to find some operators being more, and then it's more appealing to people, but anyways, I will go with this one, just as an example. This one is paying me this amount per lead, per person that I refer to this website, and they have a chance to win a gift card for absolutely free, which is a no-brainer, and which is going to be a lot easier than if we were selling something. So all I need to do is to grab my referral link. Just click on that offer, and this is your referral link. You're immediately going to get your affiliate/referral link. You just need to copy that, and whenever you send people this link, and if they sign up for absolutely free, they have a chance to win a gift card and you're getting paid. So you will just need to make it short. So copy that long URL and go to bit.ly.com. This stuff is optional, but it's recommended. You want to make it short because this is too long, and I just have to paste my long URL here, and I will click short. And right here, this is my new URL that looks short and fit and pretty much takes people to the same page. But now it just looks more appealing, and it's more appealing to people for people to click on. Anyways, I would copy that, and that was just step number 5. Shorten that long affiliate link. Step number 6. Once you've done all of this stuff, all you need to do is come over to twitter.com. You want to sign up for Twitter. It's absolutely free, and I guess most of you are already on Twitter. But anyways, if you don't have a Twitter account, just come over to Twitter and sign up for absolutely free. Once you do not need any followers. This can literally be your first day on Twitter, and you're still going to be able to do this because we are just using this platform to cash out our money from YouLikeHits, and this is the only chance. Just stick around until the end and you will be able to see that you will actually need to do this just once in order to withdraw your money. So, let's consider this like a one-time process which you need to set up in order to keep making money from YouLikeHits. Anyways, once you create a Twitter account, even though you have no followers, all you need to do is just post something like this. As you can see, this is what I have posted on my account. You can see new giveaways and some emojis and prizes depending on the offer you choose from the CPA Lead. So you have to put in the details of the giveaway that you've chosen and place it on your Twitter post. Then don't forget to put this. Enter here for free and just paste your shortened bit.ly URL. Once you've posted that on Twitter, all you need to do is click on that, and you click on that post and copy this URL here. So this URL takes people to your Twitter where they can see new giveaway and enter for free, and once they click on that link, if they sign up for absolutely free, you're going to get paid. Now you just need a lot of people going over to this post so they can actually click on your referral link, and they can and you can keep making money like I do with CPA Lead. And how do you do that? Well, you do that by going back to YouLikeHits, and depending on how many points you have, you can exchange them for Twitter tweets. Now, you can get Twitter shares from those points, and that's exactly how you can withdraw your money. So that's how we can cash out, and that's how I can exchange your points for real money and actually make a lot of money. So one website you visit equals one Twitter share equals one Twitter retweet, which means that I can get Twitter shares from all the points I have collected. So if I get 10 shares, just bear in mind that people that are sharing my Twitter posts probably have a lot of their friends following them. And when their friends see there's an absolutely free giveaway, so why not? And especially when they see that their friend is actually sharing that, they're more likely to click on it and take action because it costs them nothing. So as you can see, YouLikeHits works like the exchange website. You visit someone's website, you earn points, and then you can redeem them and you can exchange those points for actual Twitter retweets or Twitter shares. So I will copy this ID. I actually need to copy this, and I will paste it over here. I'll just click add a tweet, and now other members of YouLikeHits will start retweeting. They will start reposting. It will start sharing my Twitter with their friends, and I'm going to be paying them these points. I don't have to do anything from this point except earn more points so I can get more shares, so I can get more signups and earn more money. All I need to do is once again go earn points right here. And I will keep visiting those websites. And I will keep earning, and I will also keep losing points because I'm getting shares for Twitter. So that's basically how it works. You visit websites to earn points, which you then exchange for Twitter retweets, for Twitter shares, and people that are sharing that, or that are sharing your posts on their Twitter accounts, will get noticed by their friends, which then can sign up to your CPA Elite offers so you can actually make money from the points you make on YouLikeHits. And you really don't need a lot of Twitter shares to earn some decent amounts of money because maybe someone has like 1,000 followers on Twitter and your post is going to be seen by all their followers, like all their friends, which they can sign up for absolutely free. It's really easy to earn money with this because once again, you're not selling anything and you just need to set it up once. And then just keep visiting these websites to earn more and more money with YouLikeHits.com. That's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.